Welcome to your daily dose of motivation, self-improvement, and pure, unadulterated hustle. You ready? Let's begin. Top 5 badass habits to ignite your hustle. 1. Sunrise slay. Ditch the snooze. Greet the sun like a warrior. Early mornings, early wins. 2. Sweat like a beast. Don't just exercise. Unleash your inner demon. Push your limits. Feel the burn. 3. Fuel your fire. Feed your mind and body like a king. Knowledge is power. Greens are gasoline. 4. Silence the doubt. Shut down negativity like a bouncer. Your voice is the loudest. Crank it up. 5. Small wins. Big grins. Celebrate every damn victory, no matter how tiny. Momentum is your friend. There you have it. Top 5 ways to ignite your inner beast and conquer every damn day. Now get out there, make it epic, and show the world what you're made of. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more badass content. Until next time, stay hungry, stay focused, stay unstoppable.